Hello Bakugan Battle Brawlers, I'm Darkness Dark here once again. Today I got a very special treat. This is a Baku Triad, including this Chaos Bakugan, yet I don't know what is this, including Aquos Blitz Dragonoid and Ventus Phantom Darak. Now, as you know, I'm collecting Phantom Daraks in all attributes, so yeah, I'm very looking for this. It was not cheap. I bought this wall pack for around 70 bucks. So yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, I broke into the ceiling. Now let's see the cards. We got shit tons of manual here. What a waste of paper. Okay, let's see what we got. So we got this card right here. We got this card. Guess this is Lumino Dragonoid, not sure. And we got this card. Another Lumino Dragonoid. Guess these for the languages. Yeah, and this is the gate card. Another gate card. And yeah, we got this beautiful gate card showcasing Gil for us. Okay, now let's get onto the actual Bakugans, starting with the Chaos one. Let's see what this is. Okay, this is a Chaos Axela. I guess this is what it's called. And this has 870 Gs. Pretty cool. Now to the main part. Okay, Blitz Dragonoid in Aquos. Okay, what we know so about Blitz Dragonoid is it's rare, not that much rare. For some reason, everybody looking for the Pyrus version, but it's more rare in the not anime accurate attributes, such as this Aquos one or Ventus one. I saw Ventus Blitz Dragonoid on eBay not that long ago, but I never saw Darkus Blitz Dragonoid before, so I'm looking for that as well. Okay, very nice add to the collection. Now the main part is this. Hell yeah, the Ventus Phantom Darak. I'm really happy about this Bakugan. It looks fucking cool, isn't it? Oh my god. Yes, my Phantom Darak collection is getting bigger each day. Yet I need Aquos, I need Season 4 and the translucent version of Phantom Daraks. Yet I don't know how I will find them, but I will figure it out. Now talking about the G powers, this has 730 and 40 G on his arms, so not that powerful compared to Season 3 standards. And the Ventus Phantom Darak has 700 if it focuses, 730 Gs and 70 Gs on his wings, so it's not that powerful either compared to Darkus Phantom Darak. But yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you very much for joining. Appreciate your watching. Bye bye.